VI Smart. Hi there technology user. Thank you for purchasing the HD module 25 amps. Here is how you can install the device. First, let's make sure that you have everything you need to successfully complete the installation. Open the switchboard you want to automate. Identify the wiring inside the switchboard. Connect your device 25 amps HD module. Test the device to ensure that the setup is done correctly. Step 1. Get ready to install. Collect all the tools required for the installation. For this, you will need a screwdriver, tester and pliers. Now identify the switchboard you want to automate with the HD module. Also, make sure that you have a neutral wire inside the switchboard. A neutral connection is mandatory for the HD module. In the absence of the neutral wire, please draw a neutral wire from the nearest point, otherwise, the installation cannot be completed. Installation requires handling high voltage wiring. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid any injury. If it makes you uncomfortable, reach out to a qualified electrician to help you out. To start off with, go to your MCB panel, identify the circuit breaker connected to the identified switchboard and turn them off. If your breakers aren't labeled, turn off the main supply. Now let's get to step 2. Open the switchboard. Now that your power is off, now you can safely unmount the wall plate from the switchboard. Then using a screwdriver open the switchboard. Alright. Now that the switchboard is open, let's get to step 3, identifying all the wires in it. Phase wire is the red wire. It is connected to all the appliance switches in the switchboard. The neutral wire is the black wire. It is almost always black in color and is either connected to a socket or is left free with an insulation taping inside the switchboard. Load wire is usually blue or yellow and has connections to different loads. Green wire is the ground wire and is usually connected to a socket. Although unavailability of ground wire will not impact the installation process. Now let's get to step 4, connecting the device. On the device, you can see the positions marked as 1, P and N. 1 is the load terminal where you will connect the load wire of the heavy-duty appliance. P refers to the phase point. N refers to the neutral point. The virtual wire is the wire that will replace the load wire at the corresponding load pin inside the switchboard. To connect the HD module to the switchboard, create 3 branches for neutral 1 wire and phase wires 2 wires. Connect the neutral brand wire to the neutral wire present in the HD module device marked as N and cover it with an insulation tape. Now connect the phase branch wire to the phase wire present in the HD module marked as P and cover it with the insulation tape. Next, connect the phase branch wire to the load wire present in the HD module marked as 1 and cover it with insulation tape. Once all the branches are connected, take the HD module and connect the neutral wire of the device to the neutral wire present in the switchboard. Remove the load wire of the socket from the switch and connect it to the load wire present in the device. Do not forget to cover it with an insulation tape. Now take the virtual wire of the HD module and connect it to the load pin of the heavy-duty appliance switch. Take the phase wire of the device and connect it to any phase point of the switchboard. Also, ensure that only one phase wire is connected to the device. Do not under any circumstance connect multiple phase wires from appliances and inverters to the device. Once you are done connecting all the wires, insert the heavy-duty module inside the switchboard and reattach its wall plate firmly back onto the wall. Please note that electric fluctuations inside the switchboard may at times hinder optimal device performance. Great, we are almost done. Let's finish off the installation by testing the 25 amps HD module. Switch on power. Toggle the switch on and off. Ensure that the appliance is functioning smoothly. And there you go. You are done with the installation of the heavy-duty module. All you need to do now is download the automation app to configure the device and control your appliance from anywhere in the world.